Greetings one and all. Welcome to Fired Up Friday, bug infested. And they always have to fly right in my face because they're just friendly that way. So we're gonna do some saw palmetto I've never done before. This was sent to me by my buddy Diddy Bushcraft and Outdoors. So let's bust it out, but first let's head on over and do this week's channel shout out. Okay, I gotta express real quick how proud I am of BC Gerbs, Expeditionary Johnny and Donna. Gerbs and Johnny are doing 22 push-ups a day. It's awesome. I don't think I have the muscle mass to do it, otherwise I would be. And also massive props to Donna getting out, doing 1.5 miles every day for 22 a day. So appreciate that. Love all three of you. So much respect. Alright, let's go ahead and draw this week's channel shout out. I didn't get any stickers, but it's alright. Let's see who we got. Oh, Manland121. Good dude. And of course I will link his channel below so you can go check him out. Get to burn. Alrighty. Got my Hidden Woodsman haversack. Here's the saw palmetto, which I don't think I've ever burned before. Gloves I don't need. The Dominator, which I will need. I got this little one here, the Nathan 4071. I don't need that one. Well, I need it, but I'm not going to use it right now. Well, I should add it to the rotation. That would be kind of nice. Although it's the same ferro rod, same person with ferro rod, so. I guess somebody else made the handle. I thought Nathan had, but it actually was somebody else. He told me, but I forgot who, because not that bright. Well, it kind of looks like the husk that I see Dominic Minichetti burning a lot. It's just like it, actually. I don't want to burn all of it. So I want to make sure I get these fine fibers exposed. Get those underneath. And then I'll just pull these two. Well, there we go. Now where's my knife? BPS 3. Got the Dominator rod. See if we can go one and done. Two and done. Oh, that went out. I see it's starting up. There we go. Still going? Yeah, it's struggling. There she goes. Yeah, she's a smoking too. A little bit stubborn, but yeah, she burns just fine. Took a bit to get her to go, though. I mean, not a ton, but yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. I still have quite a bit of it, too. I still have the other bag. Get the rest right here. Doesn't have much for longevity, but this is all Palmetto fiber. Sweet. Alright, well, good stuff. Well, alrighty. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Let's not forget also, 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives daily. That's a lot. That's 8,030 people a year. It's way too many. One is too many. And as always, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from recruits to our veterans. Salute you all. Thank you very much. Appreciate your service, and I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to check the links down in the description. There's usually like 3-4 different channels down there linked, and then yeah, so of course. Let's not leave any embers behind.